Welcome back to Silicophilic. Have you ever opened Claude AI for the first time and thought, this looks powerful, but where do I even start? Most people use Claude like a basic chatbot. They ask a few questions, get a few answers, and that's it. But here is the truth. Claude is much more than a chatbot. It can organize your work, build websites, write code, create interactive apps, summarize documents, connect to your Google Drive and Gmail, automate repetitive tasks, and even become your personal AI assistant. In today's guide, I will show you everything you need to know, from setting up Claude for the first time to using its most advanced features like projects, artifacts, skills, connectors, Claude Code, and much more. So let's get started. Getting started with Claude. The first thing you will need is a Claude account. Simply visit the official Claude website and sign in using your Google account or email address. You can create an account and agree to the terms and conditions. Choose the plan. You can choose from Free, Pro, or Max. Here I am choosing the free plan. If the other versions have trial offers, you can try them as well. You can download it for Windows as Claude is available as a desktop app or use it in web browser. If you don't want to download it, you can click on the skip button here. Once you are inside, you will notice the interface is intentionally clean and distraction-free. On the top left side, you will find the settings or menu. At the top is the model selector. Towards the center is where all your chats happen, and below there are two options like to write, learn, code, like stuff, and Claude's choice. If you click on the plus sign here, you can upload files or photos, take a screenshot, create projects, skills, add connector, etc. After adding these, you can view them on the right side. Don't worry if everything feels unfamiliar right now. By the end of this guide, you will know about every section. Understanding Claude models. Before typing your first prompt, it's important to understand that Claude offers different AI models. Think of these models as different engines. Some are designed for everyday conversations, while others are optimized for difficult reasoning, programming, research, and creative work. If you are simply writing emails, summarizing articles, or brainstorming ideas, the standard model works perfectly. Here, you will also find Opus 4.7 under More models. It is the most powerful model, but for you need to upgrade your plan. However, if you are solving complicated programming problems, analyzing research papers, or creating business strategies, choosing a more advanced model usually gives better results. You will also notice an option called effort. This allows Claude to spend extra time thinking before generating an answer. It will think for more complex tasks assigned to it. For simple questions, you probably don't need it, but when accuracy matters, enabling thinking often produces much better responses. Now here we are using the Sonnet 5 model. It is the most efficient model. Now in the far left side, you will find Claude menu like New Chat, Search, Chats, Projects, Artifacts, etc. You will also find Customize option here. Writing better prompts. To begin, we are clicking on the new chat. You can also click on the search option to find all your existing chats. If you are new here, select new chat and start chatting. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is writing vague prompts. For example, instead of saying writing an essay, try something like write a 300-word essay explaining Windows 11 features in a conversational tone with headings and bullet points. Or you can ask Claude to plan you a vacation. For this, you can enter plan me a 7-day vacation and type the place you want to visit. Then you can ask to make you a budget for the trip, or on any topic you want. Here I am providing a prompt like this. The more context you provide, the better Claude performs. Claude gathers the best options from across the internet and delivers the correct information in a concise way. Think of Claude as an extremely intelligent assistant. The clearer your instructions are, the better the results become. Explore your profile and settings. Before we start creating projects or asking Claude questions, let's take a quick tour of the settings menu. To access it, click on your profile avatar in the bottom left corner of the Claude dashboard. Select settings. You will now see several options. Let's go through them one by one. The first option is profile. Here you can update your personal information such as your display name and select an avatar. You can write your name here, then what should Claude call you, that is your undername, then what describes your work. You can save instructions for Claude. In the appearance section, you have three options. If you prefer a darker interface that's easier on the eyes, especially during long working sessions, you can switch to dark mode. If you like the traditional bright interface, select light mode. There is also a system option that automatically matches your computer's theme. This small setting can make a big difference if you spend several hours working with Claude every day. Then you can select chat font, voice, language, style, speed as per your preferences. The next section is notifications. Here you can decide whether Claude sends you updates about new features, product announcements, and important account information. If you don't like unnecessary emails, you can manage those preferences from this section. One of the most important settings is privacy. Claude allows you to control how your conversations are handled. Depending on your account type and region, you will find options related to chat history, data usage, and account privacy. If you're working with sensitive business documents or personal information, it's worth spending a few minutes reviewing these settings. Understanding how your data is managed helps you use Claude with greater confidence. Next is billing. This section shows your current subscription, payment information, invoices, and renewal details. If you are on the free plan, this is also where you can upgrade whenever you need additional usage limits or access to more advanced models. Organize everything. Now let's talk about one of the Claude's most useful features, projects. Imagine you're working on several different things. Maybe you are designing a project, managing a business, studying for college, or even planning a vacation. Instead of mixing everything inside one chat, projects help keep everything organized. Creating one is simple. Click New Project, give it a meaningful name, then add a description if needed. Inside every project, Claude remembers the context, making future conversations much smarter, so you don't need to explain what you want again and again from the scratch. You can upload your previous projects and include your preferred formatting. Now, every new script Claude writes automatically follows your style without you repeating instructions every time. That's a huge productivity boost. Every project includes something called instructions. This tells Claude exactly how you want it to behave. For example, you are my professional project writer. Always write in a conversational and easy to understand tone. Explain technical topics in beginner-friendly English. Use clear headings and smooth transitions to improve readability. Or you can add something like this. Once saved, Claude remembers these instructions for every conversation inside that project. Instead of repeating the same prompt every day, you only set it once. Projects become even powerful when you upload files. Claude supports PDFs, Word documents, text files, presentations, research papers, meeting notes, brand guidelines, marketing documents, product manuals, or financial reports. Imagine uploading your company's employee handbook. Instead of searching through hundreds of pages manually, you can simply ask, "What is our vacation policy?" Claude instantly finds the answer. The same works for textbooks, contracts, technical documentation, or business reports. It's like creating your own searchable AI knowledge base. Artifacts. Claude creates interactive content. Now let's look at one of the Claude's most exciting features, artifacts. Artifacts are interactive outputs that Claude creates separately from the normal chat. Instead of giving you plain text, Claude can build things you can actually use. The best part is that you don't need to start over every time. You can select a new artifact and pick a category. Here you have several options like apps and websites, documents and templates, games, productivity tools, creative projects, quiz or survey. You can also start from the scratch and create a new one. You can give instructions as per your choice and Claude updates the artifact instantly. This makes building websites and interactive tools incredibly easy even if you don't know how to code. Skills. Save time with automation. Another feature many people overlook is skills. You will find this under the Customize section. Think of skills as reusable prompts. Every day you ask Claude to write your reports, generate outlines, write Instagram captions, write a recipe, or create SEO descriptions. Instead of typing these prompts repeatedly, you can save them as skills. The next time you need them, simply call the skill and Claude already knows what to do and will follow. In this example, we are looking at the skill creator. This is an official skill developed by Anthropic that helps you create brand new skills or improve existing ones. Here is what you will see. Added by, this tells you who created the skill. In this case, it's Anthropic, so it's an official skill. Trigger, you will notice /command plus auto. This means you can manually activate the skill using a /command, or Claude can automatically use it when it detects that it's the best tool for the job. Description. This explains what the skill does. The skill creator helps you build new skills, edit existing ones, test their performance, and improve their instructions for better accuracy. Skill files. In the middle panel, you will see files like skill.md, agents, assets, references, and scripts. These contain the instructions, supporting files, and logic that make the skill work. Preview panel. On the right, Claude displays the documentation for the skill. Here it explains the basic workflow. First, decide what you want the skill to do. Then write a draft, create test prompts, and refine the skill based on the results. If you don't find a skill that fits your needs, simply click the Add button at the top to create your own custom skill or browse the available skills provided by Anthropic or the community. Skills let you automate repetitive tasks and give Claude specialized abilities, helping you get consistent results without rewriting the same prompts every time. Connectors. One of the Claude's newest and most impressive features is connectors. Instead of uploading files every single time, connectors allow Claude to access information directly from your favorite services. Some popular connectors include Google Drive, Gmail, Google Calendar, Slack. Connecting them is easy. Just click on the connect option, sign in, and grant permission. Now Claude can search your drive, summarize documents, read emails, organize notes, and help manage your work much more efficiently. You can also browse the available skills and connectors to see which services Claude supports and enable the ones you need. Now let me show you a quick example of how connectors work. Let's say I have connected my Google Drive to Claude. Instead of opening Drive myself, I can simply ask Claude, find the folder called test and give me a summary of everything inside. The first time, Claude will ask for permission. You can choose allow once or always allow depending on your preference. Claude will then search your drive and summarize the folder's content right inside the chat. It can also perform actions for you. For example, I can ask, create a folder called Claude Tutorial, then create a Google document inside it. After you grant permission, Claude automatically creates the folder and document without you needing to open Google Drive. Just remember that different actions require different permissions. While allowing Claude to create file is generally fine, it's a good idea to keep delete permissions on ask every time so you don't accidentally remove important files. Besides Google Drive, you can also connect other supported devices like GitHub and more, allowing Claude to work directly with your favorite apps. Another interesting feature available in Claude is Claude Design. This feature helps you create visual content simply by describing what you want. Instead of using traditional design software, you can type a prompt like create a modern presentation, slide, or design a dark themed infograph, and Claude generates a starting design for you. You can use Claude Design to create interactive prototypes, wireframes for websites or apps, presentation slides, flowcharts and diagrams, infographics, UI mockups, visual layouts for projects. You also have the option to import an existing file and ask Claude to redesign, improve, or expand it. To access this feature, simply click Design from the left sidebar and then select Get Claude Design. Choose your plan since it's a paid feature. Enter your prompt, attach any reference files if needed, and click Send. Claude will generate a visual design based on your instructions. Free versus Pro. If you are just starting out, the free plan offers more than enough to learn the platform. You can chat with Claude, create projects, upload documents, use artifacts, build skills, and explore many core features. Upgrading to the Pro plan gives you access to more powerful models, higher usage limits, advanced reasoning, Claude Code, and additional premium capabilities. Unless you're using Claude professionally every day, the free plan is a great place to begin. Best tips for using Claude. Here are a few quick tips that will instantly improve your experience. Write clear prompts instead of vague questions. Organize different tasks into separate projects. Use skills for repetitive work. Upload reference documents whenever possible. Connect your Google Drive or Gmail if you use them regularly. Review AI-generated information before using it for important decisions. Experiment with artifacts. You will be surprised at what Claude can build. And that's your complete beginner's guide to Claude AI. From understanding models and writing better prompts to organizing projects, creating skills, building interactive artifacts, connecting your favorite apps, and exploring advanced features like Claude Code. You now have everything you need to start using Claude with confidence. The best way to learn is by experimenting. Once you start using its features together, you will quickly realize that Claude is far more than just another AI chatbot. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the videos, subscribe to Silicophilic, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest AI tutorials, Windows tips, and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.